Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Holy KL TV. Welcome to Petaling Street. It is also known as KL Chinatown in Malaysia. This place has been around for over 150 years. Yes, 150. This place is full of history and amazing food. Today I will show you some budget hotels and cool cafes as we go along. Let's go. We passed by a cafe called Cafe number 16, a cozy cafe. Next door is Berryl's Chocolate. This shop is famous for the chocolates. For tourists, you can buy some chocolates back. The two shops are linked together. If you want to know more about the cafe and the chocolate shop, click the link above for a more detailed tour. Just opposite cafe number 16, there is a nice cafe called Cafe Dian. We stopped by there for our tea time. This cafe is always packed with people in the morning. People come here for breakfast and lunch. This is the bread that they use to do the toast bread, the famous Kaya toasted bread.
Looks nice, huh? This is the Hainanese coffee.
Coffee, yeah, chang.
And I have pineapple plus plum juice. How's chee chou fan?
It's very tasty, very flavorful.
It's a bit spicy, but you can feel all the flavor inside. Very sweet. The plastic
Oh.
is very nice.
That's good. Okay, while my friend is taking chee chou fan, I take croissant. Spicy croissant. Right. Now this is my new Germany friend. What is her name? Su Mei.
Yes.
Okay, I just met her today and she's very good. Who's spotting? Took a photo with us, you know. I'm so glad I found her.
I'm happy to find you and see you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Let's continue our Petaling Street walk. This is a budget hotel called Hotel Petaling Street. It is right in the middle of Petaling Street. This store is selling durian, Malaysia Musang King durian, the king of all our fruits. Opposite is a store selling ayam Mata Kuching. It charges 5 ringgit per cup. This store has been here for more than 30 years. This uncle has been selling Ampang Balik Kwai for more than 30 years at this place. Yes, at this place, okay? This is a traditional snack. So when you come to Petaling Street, don't miss this as well. Next to the uncle selling the Ampang Balik, there is another store selling traditional dessert, sweet desserts. I'm going to introduce you to another famous food store. This is a sweet potato, the last one. Well, this store has been here selling sweet potatoes since 1973. All the biscuits here are sold whole year round. As I said, this store has been here for more than 20 years. I'm trying the pineapple tart, the Nyonya pineapple tart. Wow, it's so yummy and delicious. I would like to introduce you to this Indian temple called Sri Maha Mariamman Temple located on Petaling Street. It is one of the oldest and most famous Hindu temples in the city. It charges you 20 cents one pair of shoes to keep your shoes for you if you want to go into the temple, as no shoes are allowed in the temple. This temple is dedicated to the Hindu goddess of health and prosperity, often referred to as the Mother Goddess. The temple was constructed in 1873, so this is one of the oldest Hindu temples in Malaysia. Drawing paintings on the floor, called Rongoli, is a way to welcome positive energy. Just opposite the Hindu temple, there is a Chinese temple called Guandi Temple in Chinatown. This temple was completed in 1887. It's one of the Malaysia's oldest Taoist temples. The temple is guarded by lions, statues, and dragon pillars at the entrance. Devotees believe that this temple dedicated to Guandi, the god of war and literature. Foresta Hotel Chinatown is located in the middle of Chinatown with many shops and restaurants nearby. They also offer affordable set lunch. In the Chinatown, there are a lot of stores selling fake branded goods. This store has been here selling water chestnuts for more than 20 years. Next is the restaurant Choon in Chinatown. It is popular for its Cantonese dim sum. With its long history, affordable prices, and central location, this makes them a favorite among both locals and tourists. Restaurant Choon was founded in 1893, over 100 years. They specialize in Cantonese dim sum like egg tart and mooncakes. The total cost is about 7 ringgit for both. This is a coconut pie, and the other one is a deep fried taro. This is so crispy, the skin is so crispy. It is so yummy. Just next to restaurant Choon, there is this Kow Hainan Kopitiam. This kopitiam has been in operation since 1956. It serves traditional Hainanese coffee and local Malaysian dishes. Nearby is an alley called Kwai. Come and take your Instagram photos over here. After the whole day, we end the day by having dinner at Din Sun Kopitiam that serve Nanyang food. The Kopitiam is just the same row with the Hindu temple, so this is very convenient. Come in, let's see what we have.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easy, we can still make it work.
We ordered the Taiwanese small fried chicken. It tastes to be so good. Next, the salted egg fried chicken tastes so yummy. You can actually taste the salted egg. We hope you have enjoyed our Chinatown tour. We have recommended some famous restaurants for you to try, the food store for you, some budget hotels for you. Please subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Bye!